Hello friends, this is a video for the car steering problem which I was observing. So the problem was that there was a joint where there is a spindle which goes through. There is a rod in this, and there is a circular, you could say, a point bearing sort of a thing inside this steering. So what happens is that bearing, when it goes off, there are small balls. It starts making noise like a when you turn. So, and your wheel centering and all those problems starts occurring. So I cannot show you exactly where the location is. Actually inside the gap there is. You can see there is a gap here. Inside it is. I tried to clean it, but up to a certain extent it was resolved, but not permanently. So I went to the Volkswagen, and they said that the bearing has a problem. Said they will open it and they put a bearing, replace the bearing which is inside it. And to be very surprised, now my wheel centering is as good as a new car, and it's working very fine. So those people who are suffering from such problems, they can check for the bearing part and get it replaced. Thank you friends for watching. Thank you.